Let's talk about our Indian IT companies then. In fact, the rift between Infosys and its founder has reared its ugly head once again, and this with founder N.R. Narayan Murthy firing a fresh salvo to the board. Chandra Srikanth is joining in with all those exclusive details from Bengaluru. Chandra, what has Murthy said in this letter to the board, and is the board likely to follow suit and listen to his advice?
Sources we've been speaking to say that this mail went out from Infosys co-founder N.R. Narayan Murthy to the board a few weeks back. While this was a very detailed mail that, listed all his grievances, the key demand from NRN was that Infosys must make the entire investigation reports public. Now, these reports pertain to investigations that the company had ordered after two whistleblower complaints went to SEBI, alleging improprieties in its $200 million Panaya acquisition, impropriety in the severance payout to the former CFO, and alleged excessive expenses incurred by its current CEO, Vishal Sikka, in the US. Now, Infosys in June had published the conclusion and the summary of this investigation, saying that an international law firm had found no wrongdoing or no evidence to really support all the allegations in the whistleblower complaint. But Narayan Murthy now wants the entire report to be made public in the interest of transparency and accountability. He particularly wants clear disclosures that there were no financial benefits or ties between Infosys executives who managed the acquisition then and the investors in the firm Panaya. So we really have to wait and see how this will pan out, if this will deepen the rift. And in his mail, Murthy has also sought more details with respect to Rajiv Bansal, with respect to the M&A team handling the Panaya acquisition. He wants the entire scope of the report to be made public. We did reach out to Narayan Murthy for a confirmation of this mail, but he did not offer comments to the queries we sent.
You know, Chandra, while it is clear that Narayan Murthy is not happy with a lot of things, how is the board really likely to react to all these acquisitions being made once again?
While Infosys did not confirm or deny that the mail went out to the board, they have told us in a statement that the company does not plan to make the report public. So clearly they are not going to oblige Narayan Murthy here. And from what we understand, the board is reluctant to do this, for many reasons. But one of the reasons that we've picked up from our sources is they believe that this will come in the way of confidentiality agreements inked between Panaya's investor and its limited partners. That's one of the reasons being cited by the board, which is why they do not want to make this report public. So clearly things, there seem to be some sort of an impasse as far as the rift between the board and founders are concerned. Infosys had appointed a co-chairman in Ravi Venkatesan. They had appointed a committee of directors to help Vishal Sikka in strategy, and also talk to the founders. But despite all this, it's very clear that the rift is still there. Differences are still there between the founder and the board. And this time, Murthy is not really happy with the levels of transparency and accountability at Infosys.
All right, fresh concerns over transparency and accountability that N.R. Narayan Murthy has raised. Chandra Srikanth with all those details.